歡迎嚟到世界知名嘅森林河流之旅。請根據專輯上面唔同嘅標誌，選擇你想聽嘅導遊語言。祝大家今日喺森林河流之旅玩得開心。仲有小心啲，你哋可能會隨時整濕身嘅。好。
Welcome to the world-famous Jungle River Cruise. Please select your language, indicated by a sign above each of the turnstiles. Although some lines may look longer than others, the wait...
祝您森林河之旅愉快，请各位当心，有可能被检视。歡迎嚟到世界知名嘅森林河流之旅。請根據專輯上面唔同嘅標誌，選擇你想聽嘅導遊主義。祝大家今日喺森林河流之旅玩得開心。仲有小心啲，你哋可能會隨時整濕身嘅。
Welcome to the world-famous Jungle River Cruise. Please select your language, indicated by a sign above each of the turnstiles. Although some lines may look longer than others, the wait time is the same for each queue. Enjoy your adventure on the Jungle River Cruise today. And before you get wet.
欢迎来到世界著名的森林河流之旅，请按照入口处上方标志的语言选择入口，并排队等候。
My name is Stanley. Welcome back. I'm your skipper. And so, welcome back.
欢迎你们来到世界闻名的森林河流之旅，我是你们今天的主持人。
And say goodbye to our friends. Bye bye. Probably should say goodbye. You may never see them again. Welcome to the world famous Jungle River Cruise. My name is Felix. Hello everybody. Hello. Okay, before we go, may I remind you that please remain seated throughout the trip. Keep your hands on your feet inside the boat. And this is a water ride. You may get wet. Keep all of your electronic products and watch your children. Because there are so many crocodiles in the river that I have boys and girls for lunch or for dinner, okay? And the right hand side is the Tarzan's tree house. If we wish to visit the tree house, those women you should take the raft on the left hand side. So let's say goodbye to the friends on the left hand side. Bye bye. And also on the right hand side, 3, 2, 1, bye bye. Okay. in the jungle first. What's on the front, everybody? What's that? Yes, it's the elephant. It's the mother and baby elephant. The mother is teaching the baby how to use his trunk to aim us. Don't worry, it's the baby is practicing only we will not get wet. And on the right hand side is the little elephant's brother. Wow, he looks very happy because he like to have a shower maybe with us next time. And elephant again is the father elephant. What is he doing? He looks like one of the animals. I think we should move now. Otherwise, they will get fully wet. Oh, he will aim us. Oh, luckily, he has not enough water this time. Okay, now we are entering a temple. And up to the left hand side, what's that? Spiders. Space spiders. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5? Where's the number 5? Maybe here. Maybe. It's a joke. I will protect you. Don't worry, okay? And up ahead is the ancient temple of Ganesha. The elephant god. There are 2 protectors on the right hand side. Is a king cobra. Be careful. There are also 1 king cobra on the left hand side. So remember, keep your hands inside the bush, otherwise they will bite you. These are most poisonous snakes in the jungle. So I tell you, you should sit properly because we are now entering the crocodile pool. Do you know what they cost? They cost breakfast, lunchtime, tea time, dinner. Especially boys and girls sit properly, sir. And left hand side, well, they open their mouth, they're ready. But I'm not tasting. I think we should move now. And the front is the Professor Potter's camp, but where's the Professor Potter's? I only see so many gorillas here. What they're doing? They're playing, sleeping, and another is holding. Look what he's doing. He's shooting. Very dangerous for me. I think we should leave them quickly. And the front is the very beautiful field. So many zebras and giraffe. Okay, do you know how to distinguish between male zebras and female zebras? Very easy. That one is male zebra, black color with white strips. Female is this one, white color with black strips. And on the left hand side, the number 2 most feared animals in the jungle, the bull elephant. What's the number 1? Should be the loud or big one on the right hand side. Yes, his mother-in-law, okay? And up ahead, oh, is the hippo. We are entering the hippo pool now. Each hippo has 6,000 pounds. Oh, look at their mouth and teeth. Really big and dirty. Remember, don't jump off the boat. See the hippos, otherwise you will look like those bloods are flowing. They jump off the boat and attacked by the rhinos, then come up the ship for whole night. Hey, no friends, scared, don't be there. Okay, sit properly. Okay. And what's happening at the front? So many skulls. It's the sign language of headhunter territory. I think we should keep quiet. Shh, be careful. Otherwise the hunter will catch us. Shh, be careful. Someone standing behind. What's that? Oh, it's the headhunter! They've seen us and attacking us! Very dangerous headhunter. Okay, everybody alright? Are you alright? Your head still here? Everybody, your head. Everybody alright then? We can move now. Let me see what's on the front. Okay, the front is our dog. We are safe now. Give me a few more minutes to take you back home. Keep sit properly, please, okay? Hey, whoa! What's that? Oh, turn another way. Be careful. But, where are we now? Oh, I'm sorry, I get into the wrong way. This is the Forbidden Canyon of God. It's protected by the fire god and water god. Look, they brought our escape in the front and behind. What should we do? Oh. Right hand side fire! We must depart them! It is a chair shooting leap. Maybe we can jump. But I don't know how to swim. What should I do? Oh, I can see nothing. What's that? Oh, finally we are safe now. Maybe the water god saved us. Okay, anybody missing? Anybody barbecued? Are you barbecued? Nobody barbecued, very good. And on the left side is the baby elephant again, and the front is our dog. Before we go back to the dog, please keep sitting properly and your elbows inside the boat. Then we can, excuse me, sir, your elbows inside the boat, yes. Then we can move back to the dog in a second. Okay, let's say goodbye to the baby elephant. Bye bye. Okay, everybody, if you enjoyed this trip, please remember me. My name is Felix. I am the skipper. But if you don't enjoy the trip, please forget me. It's okay. Give me a few more seconds to stop my boat. Ready in 3, 2, and the finally is 1. Okay.